Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperTony here with another video. We got the boy Rafa over here. Got the 350Z Nismo. But today what I'm doing is I'm installing this relay kit for the fuel pump. Because as you can see, I have an upgraded fuel pump on this car. And it's leaning out towards on the top end. So what I'm doing is running all the wires through. So basically, you gotta run this red wire all the way to the battery, and I'm running it along here on the side. And it's gonna be underneath the plastic, so you won't be able to see it. And here's the relay kit. It's from DeatschWerks, I believe. And you're basically tapping into the fuel pump wires, and you're gonna be doing like a high voltage setup because it starts running out of voltage on these stock wires. And you're hardwiring the fuel pump. It has the relay right here. And where's the box? Alright, so here's the box. It is DeatschWerks. Here's the part number if you guys are wondering. And if you have a boosted 350, I'm pretty sure you should be running this as long as you're running over a 450 pump. Here's the shop manager. They never ever vlog, so it'd be weird. But anyways, so now what I'm gonna do is tap into this fuel cable, because you'll still be able to use the stock connector. Alright, so we finally figured it out. So you're gonna tap into this black and yellow wire here, and the blue one's gonna go to the harness side, and the yellow one's gonna go to the connector side. And you're gonna crimp those on, and then you're gonna install the positive on the battery, positive on the red wire on the battery terminal, and then you're gonna put a ground somewhere around here. So right now I'm gonna shade something down and then ground it. I'll show you guys once it's all done. Alright, so let's keep going with this video. Well, this is a new shop. You know, I just garage, nice out here. Shop's looking good. Got a nice big garage now. Lift coming soon. I'm gonna give you guys a full shop tour once I get everything set up. Don't worry about that. But let's head over here. Alright, so the red wire ran to the battery right here, which the relay's sitting over there. I just put it like that for now. Later on I'm gonna get like a little connector so it's properly like bolted on, because right there it's kind of jank. It's just squishing between the terminal. That's literally it. And honestly, after that, this car was having really bad issues. The reason I haven't really put on the channel, I was just kind of just driving it around and just dailying it. But it was having really bad issues up top, that it would lean out and you could just feel the car kind of stutter, like feel cut. So I ended up doing, my friend told me about this relay kit. Shout out to Rafismo, actually. He has a boosted Nismo 350Z. It's like honestly probably the fastest one in Arizona right now. So, but anyways, yeah, he's the one who told me about it because he was having the same issues. Told me to do that relay kit, and honestly, thank God he told me, because it's a whole different car now. It still needs a retune, so now I can finally go get a retune and see what this car puts down. Who knows? I think this car might even be my Q50. But I guess we're gonna have to find out. We're gonna have to race them once this is dialed in. But yeah, finally I can use that potential of this rear mount turbo setup. With the rear mount, you do get more lag, so we'll see. I'll probably end up racing my boy Rafa too, because he has a boosted one too. So, but he's a mid mount, so his mid mount will probably honestly beat me, because they don't have as much turbo lag as the rear mounts, because the rear mount has to travel all the way to the back and then perform. But this is a little bit bigger turbo than his, so who knows, it might be pretty even. I don't know, I guess we're gonna have to find out and see. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Got way more things coming for this car, because I'm trying to make this car really clean. Got a new bumper, new hood coming for it. I'm doing the Nismo one actually, and I'm getting rid of the carbon hood. I was gonna redo it, but honestly his hood is too far gone. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe later on I'll take it to someone to get it refixed, but for now I'm just gonna rock a OEM black hood and a OEM Nismo bumper. I think I should be about it. Just fix the little things here and there, but for the most part, it's looking pretty good. We did a paint correction on it, and oh my god, it looks 10 times better. You can tell like the paint's pretty good now. The only thing that's pretty much gone is this. But anyways, enough rambling. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And next video, I'll probably do a little shop tour. Peace.